Hello guys, so today we're going to talk about how we can generate a QR code that points to a spreadsheet on Google Sheets. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to go to the padlock on the top right hand corner, and in this screen we can actually get a link to share our spreadsheet, and we can also configure what people can have access to this spreadsheet one by one by adding their email to this box here. Or we can come down here and select this option in order to allow anyone that has the link to actually see the spreadsheet. So I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to use this button to actually copy the link. Once that's done, I'm going to head over to QR.io. This is a nice website that allows us to generate QR codes. So I'm going to paste this link right here, and it will automatically generate the QR code. Now if I point my phone to this code, I'm going to be brought to the spreadsheet. You can then download the PNG file to add a document for printing and so on. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.